Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today I'm going to show you how to make a quick parking brake adjustment on your 03 Volvo V70. You only need two tools, a 10mm socket, and a body trim tool. We'll go right into it. The location of the parking brake lever is right here next to the driver's seat, and the trim piece has to come off, so you just take your trim tool and lift it up. You start from the bottom and poke it out of the tabs. Once you get that, you can pull that up and expose the adjustment bolt. I'm going to bring it back to the lowest position, and you can see these metal tabs. Those hold that adjustment nut in place. 10mm socket, and you can de-adjust it by turning counterclockwise or adjust it. So if your e-brake shoes are just a little worn or the cables are stretched and you don't want to replace them, you don't need to. This is how you would adjust that e-brake to grab firmly and make sure the car does not roll once it's applied. By rule of thumb, I like to use just 3 to 4 clicks. That's 4 clicks right there, and that was a firm grab. You should be all set. You can check it by putting it in neutral. This is how I would check your e-brake adjustment. Start your car. Apply your foot brake. Pull up the e-brake. Put the car in reverse. Release the brake, and I'm moving. So therefore, I know I need to make more of adjustment. Apply the e-brake, take my foot off the brake. I'm not moving. A little gas, and it stops itself. Try drive. Release it. Tighten it up a little bit more. Apply it. Drive. That's with a little gas. Perfect. Too tight, you'll wear the shoes out and you have a brake drag. So now you just simply apply your trim piece again. Make sure that tab is in a flat spot on both sides. To hold that, line up your tabs, push it down, and you're ready to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.